right? We should be on that boat!
You want to ride across with them? Be my guest.
Sir, they've stopped their engines.
Right, get on the radio. Tell them we'll come back and pick them up once we dump the scumbags.
Liberty, this is Spirit. Come in.
What the heck was that?
Liberty, come in, please. This is Spirit. Come in.
Fox, there's something going on the ferries.
Get down to the engine room now.
Captain, got 100 barrels down there rigged to blow. In this.
Oh my God.
Looks like some kind of detonator.
Why would they give us the detonator to our own bomb?
Tonight, you're all going to be a part of a social experiment. Through the magic of diesel fuel and ammonium nitrate, I'm ready right now to blow you all sky high.
Liberty, come in, over. It's dead.
Anyone attempts to get off their boat, you all die.
I'm zeroing in.
Each of you has a remote. Blow up the other boat.
Force is on the ferry, but it's not the source. West.
Gordon, I have the Joker's location. Pruitt Building. Assemble on the building opposite.
At midnight, I blow you all up. If, however, one of you presses the button, I'll let that boat live. So, who's it gonna be? Harvey Dent's most wanted scumbag collection, or the sweet and innocent civilians? You choose. Oh, and you might want to decide quickly, because the people on the other boat may not be quite so noble.
Stay back.
Well, now, who are you to decide? We ought to talk this over, at least.
You don't all have to die. Those men had their chance.
We are not going to talk about this.
Why aren't we talking about it?
They're talking over the same exact thing on the other boat. Let's put it to a vote.
Is 140 against 396-4.
So go ahead, do it.
We're still here. And that means they haven't killed us yet either.
You don't want to die, but you don't know how to take a life. Give it to me. The men will kill you and take it anyway.
No one wants to get their hands dirty. Fine. I'll do it. Those men on that boat, they made their choices. They chose to murder and steal. It doesn't make any sense for us to have to die too.
Give it to me. You can tell them I took it by force. Give it to me, and I'll do what you should have did 10 minutes ago.
We really should stop this fighting. Otherwise, we'll miss the fireworks.
There won't be any fireworks.
And here we go.
What were you trying to prove? That deep down, everyone's as ugly as you. You're alone.
Can't rely on anyone these days. You gotta do everything yourself. Don't we? That's okay. I came prepared. It's a funny world we live in. Speaking of which, you know how I got these scars?
No. But I know how you got these.